Old Alabama Gardener here with an update on my potato sprouting experiment. So I've got two groups of potatoes in this experiment. I've got potatoes that were not cold stored, in other words, they were not put in the refrigerator, and then I got another group of potatoes that was in the refrigerator. Now these potatoes were stored out in the open, laying on the garage floor, and the sprouts have been broken off of them 3 times, and each time they grew sprouts again, and now this is the 4th time that I'm going to break the sprouts off of these potatoes. This next group of potatoes were initially stored in the refrigerator. They were taken out of the refrigerator on the 26th of December and laid on the garage floor just like the other potatoes. Then on the 14th of January, the sprouts had grown and were broken off. And now on 9 February they have sprouted again, so because it's not time to plant yet, I will break the sprouts off even again. Okay, so here's the bag that I've just removed from the refrigerator. So let's open it and see what we got. What's the point of storing seed potatoes? 2 reasons. Saving your own seed potatoes allows you to plant early, if you want to, before seed potatoes are available in the stores. And secondly, if you want to plant a late crop of potatoes, saving your own seed potatoes is the only way you're going to find seed potatoes to do that.